Honestly, I wish every married man should have a supporting wife like I have. And we should be able to also guide them, support them.
Because any easy, bread business is not easy. Sorry, but don't be trouble. So one
So starting business, especially in Ghana, it's not about how much you have. You can have billions and you will still fail.
Just have the passion for it. Self-dependent.
From 6 cups, that's one olunka, 6 pieces of bread, to now about 1,000 pieces. It's been a journey.
Welcome to today's episode of My Business Story, where real entrepreneurs share the raw, unfiltered journey behind their brands. We explore the moment that shaped their hustle, the challenges they've overcome, and the lessons they are still learning. Whether you are building your own business or just love a good story, you are in the right place. Let's get into it.
Business into the EB bakery. Yeah, sugar bread, butter bread, tea bread, cake bread, any bread that would on can wheat bread, any bread, tea bread in the day. I will pon Shanghai.
My name is Boache Enoch. Let me say a co-partner or co-founder for EB Bakery. Currently, I assist in helping her manage her business. She's, let's say, a 90% owner. I come in to support 10%. My wife is very industrious, let me put it that way. And me being a salary worker, we can't actually depend on our salary. So we needed additional source of income. And with our also knowledge in bakery, we had to start something about our family, not only the family, but the community at large. Because we realized that when we set up a different enterprise, it will help others also earn their daily needs. So we teamed up financially, everything to start. It hasn't been easy though. We didn't start from EB as you're seeing today. We had to come up with different ideas, what to do to sustain. She's a baker, so we started with finites. You go for products from farm milk, you pay for them, but it will be in the fridge and it will spoil. You've gone for flour, you bake, and that one too, because it's not going out, it will also spoil. So you realize that no, there's a need for a shift.
And see, na business na up and down, and crowd being your mama create man it was difficult.
So she came up, okay, then I can do bread.
So me said so I bread and so say, and no na me pese me I hand say.
In fact, doing bread, I've not seen you doing bread, so why do you say you're doing bread? But I like her perseverance, her attitude to kind of get it. You come from work, you see her on YouTube trying to learn new things, see how people do it. So when she said you do bread, okay, let me support you, do it and let's see. So we started with just 6 loaves. We call it one olunka. But then we don't even have customer. Who are you going to sell to? So 6 loaves, we got 1 customer, a company. And we started giving to the company. At a point, the company also like in person GBM style of thing. That means there was something they noticed wrong, but they couldn't tell us. So when I approached them, they explained why they wanted to stop. I discussed with her and she amended it, improved upon it, and now the company as at now is taking it. So that is how the journey has been. From that point till now, from 6 cups, that's one olunka, 6 pieces of bread, to now about 1,000 pieces. It's been a journey.
Also, my customer business ni did that. And see, day in day out me there. So me the different skills every raw me there na me yenimu. Ebe ma different taste eba area ni there ni mu ma. Me so me there number G2 mu said there na hesitation. First customer was a company which is AXA. And ɔmo ma me akwanya no me ye bi kyerɛ ɔmo so ɔmo ma me akwanya no say me for six bread for the company. It's me 6 now for over 3 months and with nkaka yet me buy 1,002 to 1,005 pieces a day. So because of scar no ombelodi no mo dia call rounds area ni mu ne other side other parts of the area no so na yakoton wo ho no. Yes, it's a very profitable business because day in day out ubehu scanny
because you earn like 200 to 300 cedis per bag. That's after every expense taken out. So roughly 2,000 to 3,000 a day can be set aside as profits. And I think if in Ghana now, if you are earning 3,000 a day and you do baking for 5 times in a week, so that's 15,000 a week. Averagely, like 60,000 a month. I don't think it's a bad business. I don't think it's a bad business.
And ubenya bibi so di aboa wa ankasa ho. Etimi ma ebetimi ma wa ye self dependent. Enipa adwuma na timi aboa mama mu so manya adwuma ye be 10. Started ye no na me 6 pieces a day. But air cost no na I was a me here nkofo. Ema omo ba na omo timi ni me ba be ye adwuma na adwuma ni timi page cost what said dey me etie no. Enti me sha se me rent dan ama boys na me ni omo be ye adwuma no. Enti me nya de onya adwuma onim adwuma ne so de dana na ma fa na ma training no na watimi aba be ye adwuma no ama ye nyina akoso.
Ghana is home to over 2 million small and medium enterprises, the heartbeat of our economy. But only a few ever break through beyond their neighborhoods, beyond their streets, beyond their cities. That's why my business story exists, to give these everyday businesses the voice, visibility, and platform they need to succeed. If you believe in supporting local dreams and growing African businesses, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's tell their stories together.
So challenges me be say enkwa na enu omo ye adwuma no ebi wo hono ma de no ebi wo habrodo no entini enko na enkwa no so no say koyo anko di se wutia omo ka challenges ni bi nso so ye say nyoma nkasa ye de be ye adwuma no ebi wo hono ma obre ansa na won saaka te say bi a wo machines bi wo hono ma ebetimi aboa ma wa contentem but bi asa machine no bi ni hono. So what yes, into your machines and no to your there hard drink. My dear madam say, Bodonana a bit me aboa me so with determination and aboa me am baby do sa and so because one thing is the passion for it is very high. So with some passion and perseverance and I'm meeting your baby do me do a hand because any easy bread business is not easy. Kobe sorry, but don't be trouble. So one year in 10 months and your identity with perseverance now I'm gonna be do a hand say.
For the God factor, for persistence and the support among ourselves. Let me put it there because when she is going down, I need to be there. Without that, maybe emotionally she will come down, but I'm always kind of there financially to support, emotionally to also urge her on that it will be well. She doesn't give up because I'm there to support with prayers, then everything. So I think that has been our bedrock.
My proudest moment, yes, Bodoni nyina yetimi ton manesa. Hen ma me fully proud of it. So for instance, my husband has helped me a lot. My business and me the asada baby one because with ono na yetimi nya customers say wo and they see and na on crime no mu yedman so they have help a lot. I'm also so can
There are people that initially we were crediting from. We were not having machines that the ruler, the mailer, so you have to go somewhere else. Sometimes they will credit you. we are grateful to them because without them, we wouldn't be where we are. And apart from that, the God factor, the support among ourselves, apart from that, I think our customers too, we have consistent customers that they've been with us. Those that give a feedback, oh, today your bread was this, it was nice, maintain it. That has been also very helpful, and we are grateful to them.
Minjama Jumani Mbong Prasto. One, Miami Dinaho Yen day in, day out. And Minka said, maybe I'm my comment in I was a mijai the bong pranas no more, you know, or me on but me, dear me, you go to na. Me and Kasam so Minjam Bong Pranas. And no, I keep me. And measurement too is very important in bakery. So if you want to be consistent, I was taking measurement seriously. That one too is a factor.
Honestly, I wish every married man should have a supporting wife like I have. And we should be able to also guide them, support them. I, for one, have not been wanting for a corporate wife, that she's being pressured somewhere else. But I want a wife who will also be independent, who is also working. I will urge all men watching me now to kind of give their best, their support to their wives when they see that they are doing something good. It might not be picking from beginning. You don't give up. Encourage them, urge them on. If you have any idea that you think it can change, support them with it and you won't regret.
Okay, so young person be person or starting bread business and easy, but a dear bia no ya wadrin say obey ya ubetumi aye and nyame kan ho kwade a ubetumi aye bia no bread business no enye easy, but with perseverance, with persistence ubetumi aye ama na do the do the bia so my baby do, and I'm proud of it. Say me so me to me yeah. So
starting business, especially in Ghana, it's not about how much you have. You can have billions and you will still fail. One is about what you want to do, your planning, okay? If you don't have much and you want to enter into real estate, you are going to fail. So know the business you want to enter and start small. Let's, for instance, you want to start baking. You can start with meat pie, you can start with pastry, small. As you save, then you graduate it. Entrepreneurs today wants to kind of hit it big from day one. It's not a magic. It doesn't work like that. It takes time to grow. So I would advise them, they should start. It's better than not starting. Start something small. With time, you can grow it, and with guidance. You'll be surprised that I was calling bakers I know to find out if I have any issue. Why is my bread, if I bake, why does it not take the usual 5 days, then it will spoil? What is it that I'm missing? Am I doing something? I was calling people I know they bake to get advices from them. So if you want to start business, you have somebody you'll be calling to kind of get advice. They say follow who know road. So get somebody that will guide you, shape you. And when you chance on a good entrepreneur or a good person, a good mentor, you'll be good to go. And also we do others. If you want any other pastry, from any pastry you can think of, and you order, we can make it available at your doorstep. For our online reach, we've not gone there yet, but offline, you 0248671316 is the main number that we are using, and then we do delivery. So it's just a call away, and our driver will be at your doorstep.
So my name is Philomena Tiwa.
My name is Wache Enoch.
And the business is EB Bakery.
And this has been our business story.
Thanks for watching today's episode of My Business Story. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with someone chasing their own dream. Subscribe for more real stories. from entrepreneurs across Ghana and beyond, because every business has a story and yours could be next. See you in the next one.